Not sure if you've noticed, but summer is officially in full swing, which means keeping your pool perfectly clean is an absolute priority. But the traditional pool maintenance is incredibly fragmented. If you buy a standard robotic pool cleaner to scrub the floor, you'll essentially be stuck with manually skimming the surface with a net. On top of that, older corded robots require dragging heavy, tangled cables across your patio or your grass, and usually they don't offer full coverage. In today's sponsored video, though, we're going to be taking a look at a product that aims to completely redefine smart pool care, the Beatbot Sora 70. Beatbot is pitching this kind of as a Swiss army knife of pool robots. It's built to be a true no-compromise cordless 4-in-1 cleaner that handles the floor, walls, waterline, and even the surface of the pool in a single unit, and all for a lot less of what flagship devices are going for, even if you're buying last year's model. So let's take a look. Getting the Beatbot Sora 70 set up for the first time is honestly pretty simple. In the box, you get a quick setup guide, a hook for your pool pole if you don't already have one, the charger, and of course, the robot itself. I recommend plugging it in to charge, which takes about 2 hours, but it gives you enough time to get the Beatbot app installed on your phone, and also to make sure that you're checking for the latest update, which mine definitely had. The robot itself is pretty sleek, but honestly looks like pretty much every other robot pool cleaner that's out there. But it is driven by an impressive 8-motor system. You have dedicated motors for the suction, movement, and the brush rotation, which is nice. Well, now that the robot is fully charged, it's time to throw it in the pool and have it start working on this mess that we got as a storm rolled through a couple days ago. And while it gets started, let's go over some of the main highlights of the Sora 70. And I'm going to kick things off with the biggest differentiator with this 4-in-1 cleaning capability that this robot has. For surface cleaning, Beatbot developed what they're calling JetPulse water surface cleaning technology. Unlike a passive skinner that just floats around the surface of the water and accidentally bumps into debris and sucks it into its filter basket, the Sora 70 actively draws it in with twin jets that create converging water flows that pull floating leaves, pollen, and other debris that's sitting on the surface of the water into the central suction port, where then 2 additional water jets push the water flow into the skimmer basket. Now, I have tested a handful of 4-in-1 robot pool cleaners before, and I have to say this is by far the best one I've tested when it comes to surface skimming, since most of the other ones are so big and bulky that the debris that's on top of the water just floats out of the way as the robot moves along. But this JetPulse system truly does an amazing job. And we all know how important surface skimming is, because anything that's at the bottom of the pool once started at the top. And if you can catch it here, it's going to keep your pool so much cleaner. Since surface skimming can take quite a while because wind is honestly your worst enemy here, moving things around as the robot pool cleaner is trying to clean, you can actually manually take control of the Sora 70 through the app, which is really helpful if you want to track down a bunch of leaves or pine needles that have bunched up into the corner of the pool and get those taken care of immediately. And then once the surface is clean, the Sora 70 dives down below the water to tackle the floors, walls, and the water line. Driven by the 8-motor system, it delivers an extreme 6,800 gallons per hour of suction flow rate. This easily outperforms most competitors that are on the market right now within the cordless space. And to clean, it actually uses a dual grouped roller brush system with 130 millimeter brushes, creating an extra wide 160 millimeter cleaning path to scrub and then collect those fine particles on the floor of the pool. But all of that raw cleaning power really doesn't count for much if the robot's navigation system is terrible. As you probably know, a lot of the older pool robots navigated kind of like bumper cars, crashing blindly into the walls, turning at random times, and then missing huge sections of the floor of the pool. But the Sora 70 uses Beatbot's Sonic Sense ultrasonic obstacle avoidance system. This is equipped with 18 different sensors in total, including dual ultrasonic sensors that essentially allows it to see the geometry of the pool while it's cleaning. The front ultrasonic sensors scan ahead, calculating precise distances to early detect the walls, steps, and other obstacles that are in the pool at the bottom. Meanwhile, the bottom ultrasonic sensors evaluate the floor's angle and the elevation change. And then it uses an S-pattern navigation system on the floor itself, systematically going back and forth to make sure that it covers every last inch of the pool floor. And once it's done with the floor, it then moves on to the walls and the waterline cleaning. The robot uses its massive suction power and roller treads to climb the walls of the pool and then scrubs them with its dual roller brush as it makes its way up and down the walls. And even has enough power to come out of the surface of the water and scrub a few inches above the waterline to get any of the debris that's been caked on while it bakes in the sun. You honestly don't need to run the wall or the waterline cleaning cycles every single time, but running it once or even twice a week will keep your pool liner squeaky clean. When it comes to just the overall maintenance and the battery life of this unit, Beatbot designed this to be as low hassle as possible. All you really need to do is charge the battery after you use it every single time, and then make sure that you clean out that massive wastebasket. The 10,000 milliamp hour battery that is used for this is pretty impressive compared to a lot of competing devices, giving you up to 5 hours of continuous floor cleaning and an incredible 7 hours of continuous water surface cleaning if that's all you want to do. If you want to run this on a full cycle covering your floors, walls, waterline, and the surface, it'll run up to 4.5 hours on a single charge. And as far as total cleaning coverage for this robot, it can actually clean some pretty massive pools with up to 300 square meters, or roughly 3,200 square feet on a single charge. And going back to that ultra-large 6-liter filter basket that I mentioned just a minute ago, that's roughly twice the size as what you can get on most other standard 4-in-1 robot pool cleaners. You'll probably have a hard time filling this thing every single time that your robot is cleaning your pool, but it's always a best idea to dump out all the debris every time just to make sure that the whole unit is running as efficiently as possible. And it also does support an optional 3-micron ultrafine filter to capture microscopic particles in your pool, but that's an add-on that you're going to have to buy separately. And then for one of my favorite features, which happens to be right at the very end, and that's the parking system that's built into the Sora 70. It features a smart water surface parking. When the cleaning cycle is done, it'll automatically float up to the surface of the water and then move to the edge of the pool and park itself right there on the edge. And then as you grab it, the automatic smart drain system immediately releases the trapped internal water to help reduce the weight, which is definitely quite helpful, especially for people like me who have an above ground pool. Over the last couple of years, I have used a handful of these 4-in-1 robotic pool cleaners, and most of them do a really good job. But the main downside has been the price, with most of them costing over $2,500, and sometimes even a lot more than that. And while they do a good job of cleaning the floors, walls, and the water lines, they usually aren't the best at skimming the surface of your pool, something that the Sora 70 does incredibly well, as you saw. With the base price here starting at $14.99, it's definitely worth the money. If you're looking for a way to upgrade how you clean your pool this summer with all of the summer gatherings that you have planned, check out the link in the video description below for the best offer from Beatbot, and they've got some amazing ones. Thanks to Beatbot for sponsoring this video, and of course, thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.